In this video, we're going to review the top 5 best golf cart rear seats that are available on the market. We made the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion, and more. To see the most up-to-date prices, check out the links in the description below. Number 1. MODZ Registered Flip 4 Club Car DS Golf Cart Rear Seat. At the top of our list for the best club car rear seat kits is the MODZ Flip 4. One of the things that you will quickly learn about rear seats is that ease of installation is critical. Most cart owners will try and install a rear seat kit on their own. This is a project that you can do at home as long as the seat kit you purchase is easy to work with. This particular model will fit all Club Car DS golf carts, and it has a simple bolt-on design. You will need some basic hand tools to get this seat completely set and ready to go. Number 2. Performance Plus DS Golf Cart Rear Flip Back Seat. Next on our list is the Performance Plus Carts Club Car DS Golf Cart Rear Flip Seat Kit. This is a great model if you have an older model club car and want to transform the back seat. Our favorite thing about this particular model is the bottom seat cushion. If you think you are going to have quite a few passengers using the back seat, this will keep them much happier. Sometimes riding in the back of the cart can get a bit uncomfortable and bumpy. Many of the rear seat kits have a very thin bottom cushion, which makes for a rough ride. Number 3. GTW Club Car DS Rear Flip Seat. If you have been looking for a rear seat kit in black, this is a great option. The GTW is going to fit Club Car DS 2000 and newer. If you have an older model, there are modifications that you can make to have this seat kit work. You will need additional parts. This is both a rear seat and a cargo bed, so you get plenty of functionality from this kit. The cargo bed itself features a molded polyethylene with a diamond plate finish. You will be able to carry a variety of gear back there without any issues. Overall, the seat kit has a high-gloss black powder coat that matches nicely with the black seats. Number 4. Madjax Rear Seat. Madjax has been making high-quality golf cart accessories and parts for many years now. Overall, their quality and performance are quite high. This particular model is going to fit the Yamaha drive carts built between 2007 and 2016. The seat cushion is a stone gray pattern, and it is made with marine vinyl. The seats themselves are very resistant to both molding and fading. The cargo bed has that same popular polyethylene with the diamond plate finish. It provides plenty of room and stability to store whatever it is you may need on your cart. This rear seat kit also has a UV additive that will help to reduce some of the fading that would otherwise occur. We love that all of the hardware is included and laid out for you to figure out quickly. Number 5. Performance Plus Carts Yamaha Drive G29. The stone will match the original seat color if you happen to have stone seats in the front of your cart. The Performance Plus Cart Seat Kit comes with all of the necessary hardware to complete this installation. You will be pleasantly surprised by the large cargo deck that you will get when the seats are folded down. The deck is 42 inches wide by 32 inches deep. If you plan on taking your cart to load up on groceries or help you with some yard work, you will have no issues with this model. The Performance Plus Carts Kit will work on both gas and electric models. The seats are made with high-grade marine material. They are very resistant to the elements and should not grow mold on them as long as they are appropriately cared for.